Okta presents Passing Time with Jim.
Hello, I'm Jim, and welcome to Passing Time with me, Jim. Ever since I started using Okta to protect my employees' identities, they've also started trusting me on giving advice, like how to best pass time while working from home. Today we're going to talk about getting to know your neighbors.
Then I said, "No thanks, Mom, but can you get the water buffalo off the driveway?" Blanche! Do you have any coconut flour? Coconut. Yeah, coconut flour. Oh. Oh, thanks. Nice arm. Your Shar-Pei looks well groomed. You do it yourself? Nice.
Getting to know your neighbors not only saves you a trip to the supermarket, but it saves you a trip to the friend store. I can't wait to start baking. I'm pretty sure I'm the only one in the world doing this right now, and that makes it extra special.
You just passed 59 seconds with Jim. Brought to you by Okta, the leader in identity-driven security.